Hey guys, today I'm taking a look at the Freesound UGEE Inspiration Open Earbuds. Let's open up the box and see how it works. Here are the earbuds themselves. This nice carrying case. And it also comes with instructions and a USB-C cable to charge it. And so yeah, let's go test these out and see how they work. It's designed for creators, commuters, and anyone who wants immersive sound without losing touch with the world around them. Lightweight and barely noticeable, each earbud weighs just 8.7 grams. With soft silicone ear hooks and a flexible 0.8 millimeter memory alloy wire. So it molds to your ear for a secure, pressure-free fit that lasts all day. Unlike traditional earbuds, these feature an open ear design. That means your ears stay open to ambient sounds, which is perfect for staying aware while walking, cycling, or working out, but without losing sound quality. And the sound quality is anything but compromised. The 12mm high-sensitivity drivers deliver rich bass, crisp highs, and balanced mids. And Freesound's exclusive AcousticFlow technology directs sound precisely into your ear canal, minimizing leakage and maximizing clarity. It features a custom-tuned frequency response curve, which is crafted by world-renowned acoustic experts. So it delivers more than just sound, it also fuels your inspiration. The directional acoustics ensure your music stays personal, even when in public spaces. So whether you're listening to a podcast or just vibing out to your playlist, you won't disturb those around you. It also features intelligent AI noise cancellation, which helps to filter out background noise so your voice comes through loud and clear. And with its smart touch controls, managing calls, volume, and playback is effortless to do. Battery life is super impressive, with 8 hours of continuous playback, plus 22 more hours when placed in the charging case, with a total of 30 hours of playback. And with Bluetooth 5.3, you get fast pairing, stable connections, and lower power consumption. The earbuds are built for active lifestyles. And they are also IPX5 rated, so they are resistant to sweat and rain. Whether you're hitting the gym or caught outside in the rain, your audio stays uninterrupted. The UGEE open ear earbuds combine comfort, clarity, and awareness in one sleek package. They're not just earbuds, they're a new way to experience sound. And so yeah, definitely check out the Freesound UGEE earbuds today. And you can take a look in the link below. See you.